pursuit. Founded in 1953, we have been focusing on chain transmission products for 70 years. Hengjiu Group has 9 production hubs in Zhejiang, Anhui, Jiangsu, and Jiangxi provinces. Hengjiu is the only manufacturer in the world who can simultaneously produce carbon steel chain, stainless steel chain, plastic module chain, chain mesh, sprocket, and chain machines. The annual production capacity reaches 80,000 tons, still ranks among the top 10 in the chain industry worldwide. With 70 years experience, we better understand the applications and the urgent needs on customer side. Customer-focused is the unchanged DNA from the very first beginning of our company history. The demand of the market is the driving force of our ongoing development. The most cutting-edge automation equipment has been recently installed. The most advanced management system has been established. The connected digitalized stamping and welding workshop, which consists of automated stamping equipment, welding robots, and circulation manipulators, was selected as a high-quality development and construction project for enterprises supported by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. With a target of being a century-old enterprise, we adhere to integrity and innovation, quality and efficiency improvement, and the leadership of technology. We actively implement digital simulation, visual checking, online access, robots, AGV, and other new technologies and equipment. As a result, an information synchronization of the whole group and an efficient coordination of various processes have been realized. Leadership stems from the ultimate pursuit of technology behind the certifications, standards, and patents, or our constant excessive demands on products themselves. The craftsmanship is to be found in subtlety, consistent with the goal of being a professional, specialized, unique, and innovative manufacturer. With help of advanced production technologies and processes, Hengjiu has developed many new products with outstanding features: high resistance against friction, temperature and corrosion, lightweight, low noise, dust-proof, high precision and tensile strength, long fatigue life. Hengjiu's chain products are applicable to a wide range of working conditions. No matter in a clean room of food industry, or under tough environment to handle hard bulk materials, or at a polluted location with various acids and alkalis, or underneath extremely high or low temperature to transport materials inside a factory. We can provide the best solutions to our customers proudly. Hengjiu is already a leading supplier of chain transmission products in many niche markets, including metallurgy, cement, mining, construction machinery, and automobile industries. Additionally, Hengjiu brand is widely recognized and accepted by our customers from different industries like grain and oil machinery, beer and beverage, smart home, wood processing, and so on. Hengjiu persists in long-term success through its dedicated work, and persistence will make our century dream true. We, Hengjiu Group, starts a new journey in the new era with innovation and new development.